If you've watched my quick spring cleaning video and felt a little frustrated and want to actually do more cleaning, you're in the right place. This here is going to be my entire spring cleaning video. So the full cleaning, tidying up, refreshing the entire apartment as spring has just begun, and I feel like refreshing my space, cleaning everything up thoroughly. I will share with you the main big steps that I took to completely transform my apartment for spring. I'm very happy to have you here, and I hope you're gonna have a good time watching. The first thing that I do is to strip all of my bedding, all of my towels, basically any textile that needs a wash. I feel like changing all of the towels, all of the rags, all of the bedding is really going to help refresh my space. I use a mattress protector. I bought these at IKEA and I think it's a great solution because if there is a blood incident or a pee incident, if you have children, the mattress will be really protected. This is a waterproof protection. Highly recommend. Some people like to sprinkle baking soda on top of their mattress to really deeply clean it. My mattresses are pretty clean. I protect them using the mattress protector I just showed you. I don't think that the baking soda sprinkling is necessary in my case. One thing I will do is open the window and let in a ton of fresh air for the mattress to be a bit refreshed. I also recently turned the mattress around so that way the weight is better distributed. Having gathered all of my linens, I can start laundry and tackle everything else while the laundry is running. I also wanted to deep clean my bathroom, so I applied some toilet cleaner so it would sit for a long time. I ran out of the first product I had, so I mixed it with another one, and I wouldn't recommend doing that because I feel like the products reacted together. I typically like to use natural products for cleaning, but in this case, I was deep cleaning the toilet. I was fine using chemicals. When I was cleaning the toilet later, I felt like there was a very strong smell that was definitely not good. So I wouldn't recommend mixing two harsh chemicals together. This is a pro tip from my aunt. Just put the pot inside of the silverware rack and it'll work perfectly and will never get stuck inside of the door container that is supposed to hold it. Some grease and dirt and grime had accumulated on these grids sitting right on top of my stove, so I finally took the time to clean that area. Also the front of my cabinets, because I feel like this area has a lot of grease accumulating from cooking. Cleaning a glass stovetop is very easy so long as you have a scraper. That's the one cleaning tool that will make a huge difference. I typically use many different rags during a big round of cleaning, and that way I know that as soon as it gets a little dirty, I get a new one, and at the end of the cleaning session, I'll just do a round of laundry for all my rags. My favorite microfiber cloths are the ones from IKEA. They basically stay flat, if it makes sense, and they're the perfect size. They have one with a scratchy side and the other two are regular microfiber towels, and I highly recommend them for cleaning. Making sure that I'm dusting all the nooks and crannies, or crooks and nannies as I like to call them, before vacuuming, and then of course mopping the floors. And when I say vacuum, I mean vacuum. I literally went under both beds and it was necessary, believe me. I typically don't use bleach, but because again this was a big cleaning and I don't have children, I wasn't too worried about having bleach on my floors. I actually don't mop very often, but since this is a full spring cleaning video, you get the full satisfaction of seeing all my floors being mopped. Thank you so much for tagging along today for my spring cleaning video. I really hope it gave you all the satisfaction you need. And please don't forget to like the video if you like this content, and subscribe to my channel for more sewing, DIY, organization, cleaning, design, and everything in between. See you in the next one.